beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Lotus Hair, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I have a little guest with me. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my last daughter. Her name is Alina. She's 6 years old, and she's my co-host today. So guys, if you watch my last Friday video, my quick fix Friday, you know what we're about to do today. So let's not waste any time. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. If you're not subscribed,
what are you doing? What are you doing?
what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I appreciate that. And hit the notification bell if you feel generous, and I'll really appreciate that. And without any further ado, let's get right into this video. So yes guys, this is what we're working on today, and I already went ahead and take out the elastic, and yeah, and the fabric is still very strong, and I don't have stretch elastic for this. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a casing from the inside like this. So you'll just see, like, you'll see when I'm doing it, and then I'm gonna do the stitch that I show you from the last video, like from the end, and call it over. So this is how it looks right now, because I already took out the elastic. And then we want it to hug hair, because it used to, but it's stretched out. So it's gonna hug hair and then hug hair. This thing is so comfortable. I'm not ready to let it go as yet. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. So you just need to piece of elastic, some string you can use and run it through. But we're using elastic today because it's easier. So I have two pieces of elastic. One is cut to fit right up here, snug, not too tight, and the other one is for under the boobs, like that. So this is what we need, and then okay. So I'm just gonna close up the gap. I got a little rip, so I'm gonna stitch this back real quick. So we're gonna separate this in 4 equal parts and match it up to this in 4 equal parts of the top, so the elastic will be evenly distributed around the top. So you should have something looking like this. And now we're gonna sew it all the way around. If you remember how I showed you the last time, it has 2 stitching options you can use. You can either make a casing and stitch it, but this time, that's what we used last week, the casing, or a hole all the way around. This time we're gonna stitch from the top and then pull it down and then just stitch it. So that's what we're gonna do. Just keep pulling the elastic and not your fabric. So I'm just gonna stick it in like this, and then I was gonna pin it, but I'm kind of lazy, so I'm just gonna eyeball it and just sew it around. Fingers crossed. So now, because I used the wrong part, the one for the above, I have a little piece of elastic left over. So I'm gonna join these together, like right by that small piece. I'm gonna close it together and then stretch them out, and we should be good and we should be done. I only gonna put 1 stitch, but you can put how many. If you want to put 2, you can. If you want to put 1, you can. And yeah, and that's it. We're basically finished with this quick fix Friday. yes guys, we have come to the end of the video, and I am very happy with how it turned out, and I'm not so surprised because it fit me the way it used to fit me before. I can't even say how much I miss this stuff, and I'm so happy I'm doing this series so I can get a lot of my stuff out that I put down because they got some problem, a loose stitch, something ripped, and I'm just too lazy to do it at the time. But now I have something that I want to do with them, and yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and leave me a comment, ask me anything, I answer. So if you haven't seen last week's video, please go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for you. And for next week, I'm gonna be replacing a fly zip, a man's pants zip. I'm gonna be replacing the zip for my boyfriend pants. He has a zip that's broken and need to be fixed, and I'm gonna fix it next week. And guess what guys, we're gonna be doing it with no machine. We're gonna be doing hand stitching next week. I'm very excited for that guys. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait for you to see me using my hands with some nails. Yeah, we're gonna do that next week. So bye bye until next time.